Please remain standing. We have a surprise for everyone. So before we witness a moment that is intimate and truly unforgettable, let us first celebrate the kind of joy that brings everyone together. Okay? So before our couple takes the floor for their first dance, we invite everyone to stand, loosen up, and join us in a fun and lively community dance because tonight, hindi lang ang puso ang sabay-sabay na tumitibok, pati ang galaw natin. Ladies and gentlemen, come on and join us with this dance called Hawak Mo Ang Beat. Bawal po KJ, that's our gift for our dear couple. This is their request, which is very simple. Can you show it to them, John? Ganun lang. Okay, you just need to wave. Are you ready, people? May I hear a yes, yes, yes?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, thank you. So, DJ, music, play, please.
DJ yun.
Kaya ko din.
Bukas pa yata.
Okay, wait lang po.
Congratulations.
Ready? Yes, everybody! Bigyan na ba yung energy nyo? Maraming globo! Skill kung di mabisita. One more! Yes! Mika! Jado! Mga epileptic yun. Budoy ka, boy. Okay. Thank you so much. You may now take your seats. And now, as the music settles and the energy gently softens, we transition into a moment meant just for two hearts. This day will forever be etched in a memory of our beloved couple, a beginning of lifetime of shared tomorrows. From this moment on, they walk side by side, hand in hand, as one. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my honor to present to you Mr. and Mrs. John Mark and Maria Angelo Baldion for their first dance.
Nagsigo lang lahat sa isang kanta. Bakit ngayon ka lang sabay nagtapo ating mata? Ilang beses pumuliti, buti di ako nakinig. Tadhana lang bumulong sa'kin. Di na sinabi sa'yo ipaglalalago ko tanong ako. Di magbabago yun kapag ika'y nawawala. Tingin ka lang sa'king mata, magmamahal sa'yo. Di mauubos yun, lalabanan ko lahat para sa'yo. Basta tapiin mo lang ako sa tabi mo.
Thank you, John Mark and Angelo. May we give our lovely couple another heartfelt round of applause. Well, I guess the feeling is mutual. Gutom na bang lahat? Wala kayong karapatan ako. Kanina pa di kumakain. I'm kidding. So, well, I guess the food is now ready. And dinner will commence shortly. So, we'll do it per table po. So, before going to the buffet table, we'll escort each table to go to our center stage first to have a per table photo opportunity with our couple. And after the photo off, you may proceed to our buffet area to get your food. We will be exiting on this area. Okay? So John, Angelo, you may take your seat.
Hindi, tulungan ko si Kuya.
Let's start with the principal sponsor table. sponsors, you may remain on your seats as your food will be served. Dandan.
Camera kami.
Okay po, 1, 2, 3. Other one. Waki po, waki.
Thank you so much. Let's have this table po. Uy, nanigaw. Let's have this table po over here. This table, please. Thank you.
Sabi mo na natin sa phone na.
Ano po?
Dito ba? Masya ka naman dito. Tayo ka na lang dyan. Dito ka.
Okay po, 1. Lola. Lolo, tapos tayo man. Yan. Thank you po. 1, 2, 3. Isang waki na.
Now the sky is so blue. Sige po, you may proceed to our buffet table. Sige po. Kakrag. Oh. Okay, let's have this table, please. This table, the one at the middle left, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. Mamatapang po sa likuran.
Picture muna daw tayo.
Okay, next batch.
O, tara na. Tayo.
have our Gen Z. Smile, Gen Z. Fresh na mga Gen Z. Yun na. Next table, please. Yeah, people, compress. Ready to smile. Burger. All right. Let's have the very last table on my left. And lastly, the very last table on my right, please. Yes, our dear brothers and sisters from San Lorenzo Ruiz Parish. Yeah.
Ice tea mo, penny? Tayo no?
I'm on a diet.
God.
Smile!
Masaya
Kayo naman talaga. Shout out to our dear viewers from Canada. Hello! Yes, to our dear couple, why would you not say your hi to our visitors from Canada?
Last one.
Enjoy your meals, everyone!
Sige po.
Those people who wanted to have photo off with our dear newlyweds, you may take this opportunity.
Sige po. Sige na. Everyone. Ang opa lang po kayo.
Yes, while our guests are having their meals, let's read some reactions from our Facebook Live. From Mrs. Joyce Castro, congratulations and best wishes. And then, yan, mabagal po yung net. Yeah, we have an amazing 5 viewers today. Ang dami, di ba? That's how famous are you. Aren't we privileged? We have here Rosalinda and Daniel Padilla. While you enjoy your meal, our couple would like to thank the following. First, the Badion and Park family, the Nocos and Gamboa family, the Espino and Senior family, the Vanderlyn family, the Mariano family, Mom Rochelle Ronquillo for the church and reception styling and setup, Artist Kitchen for sponsoring the sumptuous wedding buffet and the glamorous and elegant food, the bride, sister, and brother-in-law, Donna and Alvin Senior for sponsoring the sweet wedding cake, photography for capturing the couple's prenuptial and wedding day, and me. Gutom na ba dyan? Sakto lang. Sige, mamaya ka pa kakain, mga 12. Gutom na ba?
Midnight.
Lang? Wala na, sir? Papal-grab ko na lang. Masarap po ba yung food? Yan po, the food was prepared by Arjet's Kitchen. Yan po, if gusto nyo po magpa-cater, you can contact them, you can ask the call card po. We are just here. Thank you as well to SB House and Function Hall. Okay, while waiting for the next part of our wedding reception, we may want to take this opportunity to have a photo off with our newlyweds. Thank you so much.
Mga na kayo?
Sa lahat po na nanonood, may Gcash po sila.
Thank you po.
Thank you po.
Saan ka? Thank you po. Ang dami nanonood. Hindi nakikita yung iba. Ah, natanggal yung iba. Your viewers. Hindi siya lumilito. Harap mo na lang sa akin.
Hindi kasi mag-ano eh.
So as we continue this evening of love and celebration, we now move to a sweet and meaningful tradition, one that reflects the life of our couple is about to share together. May we invite our newlyweds to make their way to the cake table, which is their love. Ang layo, di ba? Okay, Kuya Alvin. So, ladies and gentlemen, kindly direct your attention as we witness the cake cutting ceremony. As they place their hands together